How to add donation button in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add donation button or donation feature to your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So we're going to use app on Shopify App Store. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to apps here. You can click on it, and then you can search donation, and then you can just search donation in Shopify App Store, and then you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store, and these are all of the apps that you can use. So basically a lot of them, if you are confused or thinking what the best app you can use, basically you can see the reviews. So let's try this one. You can click on it and see the features and the plan. Maybe they have free plan, it's free to install, and the rating it's quite good, I guess. You can see the review. I think there are bad reviews here, so you can go back, and then maybe we have to find another app. So maybe donate bet this one. They have quite good reviews, and yeah, I think this is good enough. There is free plan also, so we can try it. And if you want to install it, you can just click install it and follow the instruction step next. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.